Have you ever wondered what's hidden above you in the endless sea of stars? What stories do the stars tell? And why does the sky always seem to change? Don't worry, you don't need a telescope or a degree in astronomy. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to unlock the secrets of the night sky with just your eyes. Let's go on a journey together. For thousands of years, we humans have looked up at the sky and marveled at the twinkling stars. They tell stories of faraway worlds, ancient myths, and the fundamental forces that shape our universe. For a long time, telescopes and complicated instruments were needed to look into the depths of the cosmos. But the sky also holds breathtaking spectacles and fascinating phenomena visible to the naked eye. Hi, I'm Jenny with List 20+, and in this video, we'll dive into the world of stars together. You'll see that you don't have to be an astronomer to experience the magic of the night sky. With a few simple tips and tricks, you too can soon recognize constellations, understand the stories behind the stars, and use the best tools to begin your journey through the universe. Get ready, because the night sky adventure starts now. Many people think you need expensive equipment to explore the night sky. But did you know you can find some of the most famous constellations with just your eyes? The key is to use the brightest stars in the sky as a starting point and let them guide you to other stars. Let's take the Big Dipper, for example. It's one of the most famous constellations in the Northern Hemisphere and easy to find. Its 7 brightest stars form the shape of a dipper or a large spoon. Once you've found the Big Dipper, you can use it as a guide to find other constellations. Imagine a line extending upwards from the 2 stars at the end of the dipper's bowl. There you'll find a bright star, the North Star, or Polaris. Polaris is very special because it sits almost directly above the North Pole and appears to stay still throughout the night. All the other stars appear to rotate around it. Polaris is part of the Little Dipper, which looks similar to the Big Dipper, but is smaller and less bright. With a little practice, you'll be able to spot both dippers in the sky. Another easy-to-find constellation is Orion. It's best seen in the winter evening sky. Orion is a striking constellation with 3 stars that form his belt. Below the belt, you'll find the Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery where new stars are born. There are many other constellations you can see with the naked eye. The important thing is to take your time, observe the sky, and let the stars guide you. The more often you look at the sky, the more familiar you'll become with the constellations, and the more you'll discover. We live in a time with amazing technology. It gives us access to information and tools that people a long time ago could only dream of. And that's true for exploring the night sky too. Modern apps and websites make stargazing easier and more fun than ever before. They're like digital telescopes that bring the whole universe right to your phone or tablet. One of the most popular apps for stargazers is Stellarium. Stellarium is a digital planetarium. It shows you a realistic 3D simulation of the night sky. You can type in your location or use your device's GPS to see the sky from exactly where you are. The app shows you the names of the stars and planets, where the constellations are, and even the path of the International Space Station. Another great app is Starwalk 2. Starwalk 2 is an interactive star chart that lets you explore the sky in real time. If you point your phone or tablet at the sky, the app will show you the names of the stars and planets you're looking at. You can even fast forward and rewind time to see what the sky will look like, or what it looked like at a certain time in the past or future. Besides apps, there are also lots of helpful websites for stargazers. One of them is Heavens Above. Heavens Above gives you detailed information about satellites that are orbiting Earth, including the International Space Station. You can use the website to find out when and where you can see the ISS from where you live. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced stargazer, there's an app or website out there that can help you learn more about the night sky. So grab your smartphone, download one of these apps, and start your journey through the cosmos. Why do we see different constellations in different seasons? Have you ever noticed that the night sky changes throughout the year? Some constellations are visible in the summer, others only in the winter. But why is that? The answer lies in the Earth's movement around the Sun. As Earth orbits the Sun, we look at a different part of the cosmos from our moving planet. Imagine you're sitting on a carousel and looking into the distance. Depending on which direction you look, you see different objects in the surroundings. It's the same with Earth and the stars. As Earth moves in its orbit around the Sun, we see different parts of the sky at different times of the year. In summer, we look at the part of the sky opposite the Sun. In winter, however, we see the part of the sky that is behind the Sun. So the constellations we see in summer are the ones on the opposite side of the Sun. The constellations we see in winter are the ones behind the Sun. And the constellations we see in spring and autumn are to the sides of the Sun. So, the Earth's movement around the Sun causes us to see different constellations throughout the year. That's what makes stargazing so exciting, because there's always something new to discover. The night sky is a never-ending ocean of sparkling stars, faraway galaxies, and mysterious wonders. It invites us to wonder, to dream, and to ask the big questions about our place in the universe. And the best part is, you don't need an expensive telescope or complicated equipment to explore this fascinating world. With just your eyes, you can already spot the most famous constellations, follow the paths of the planets, and even glimpse the faint glow of the Milky Way. Let yourself be enchanted by the stories of the constellations, passed down for thousands of years from generation to generation. Discover the magic of the planets, which dance in the sky like tiny points of light, and dive into the depths of the cosmos, where millions of galaxies shine like cosmic beacons. Use the power of modern technology to make your journey through the night sky even more amazing. Apps and websites can help you find your way around the sky, identify constellations, and learn more about the fascinating objects you're looking at. Go outside and experience the night sky for yourself. The night sky is waiting to be discovered by you. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of stars, and that it inspired you to explore the night sky yourself. See you next time in the starlit sea.